Hey, how's it going? This is room 521 in Mexico in the Grand Velas. Come on in. So as soon as you walk in, giant living room. Let's take you to the bedroom, the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. You have really good views. The bed is really soft, and this giant TV, and you get a really nice view of the pool, the ocean. Have a little patio area. You can hear the ocean. All right, so we'll show you the rest of the room. So you come on this area, you have a giant TV here, and they give you these beach bags that you can use for your whole stay. So these bags are really nice. You get to use these for your whole trip. They gave us 2. And giant mirror here. And this is the bathroom. Big tub, sink, water closet. Shower's pretty big, and all L'Occitane products. Nice work desk here, lots of space, and there's actually a really big closet. Big walk-in closet, an iron, a safe, everything you need. And let's walk you to the living room. Big sectional couch, same giant TV. And there's 3 patios here. So we just had breakfast. And had breakfast here, it's a little messy. And then there's a jacuzzi here. It's pretty nice. There's flowers and stuff from all the flowers up here. And come over here, we have a giant dining table with a nice light on top. Come over here, we have a big bar here. They fill it with mezcal. It's kind of like tequila, it's pretty strong. And coffee maker. Mini fridge, and it's all inclusive. All this stuff, they fill it up every day. And snacks. I'm sure the girls are gonna grab a couple before we leave. And there's a closet here. And a second bathroom. So sink, shower, tub combo. And we'll go to the second bedroom. It's where the girls are sleeping. So from their bedroom, they have that same view from the hot tub and here. And then there's another outdoor area if they want to hang out and watch the pool, which is really nice. You can see the mountains and everything. It's really nice. And they have 2, these are queen beds actually. So they slept really good. Got these giant beds. Then we have another bathroom, the third bathroom. So this one has dual vanities, shower, toilet, big closet behind us. So if you want to see the vlog from our stay, just click here. You can see the whole thing. And thanks a lot. We'll see you guys soon.